What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on my friend's Honda Jazz, my friend's girlfriend's Honda Jazz. So I've been maintaining this car for years now. I think it's the 4th year this year. So the car, it's in quite a bad shape right now because of constantly long term of parking under the sun. So there is some oxidation built up, there is some dirt, some tar spots, watermark, you name it, all kinds of damages is there. So today the project is to clear all this surface decontamination and then give the car a nice luster with a finishing wax. So I'll show you guys everything in a cinematic video, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Yo guys, so I'm done with the car and spent a little more than expected. It is now almost 4, started at 10, so close to half a day. So the car, as you can see, is pretty shiny at the finishing, but unfortunately it started to rain once I finished the car, so couldn't really shoot a nice finishing glossy finish, kind of mirror finish for you guys to see, but you guys can roughly estimate how the car looks. Water beading is crazy, and I actually recoated the windscreen for the hydrophobic effect so that it's easier to drive in the rain. And that's about it, I guess. So that's the end of the video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button on the right side of the subscribe button, and I will see you guys soon.